That should be the easy part, right? I'm annoyed. I like that. Yo, okay. So I'm going to do a protective style that will last for ages. So basically, it's summertime and I want some inches and I want my hair to not be out whatsoever. And so I decided to go to my local hair shop. It was Black owned. What's the name of the shop, by the way? Let me shout them out. Anyways, I went to Nio Beauty Supply, N-I-Y-O. So if you live in the Quad Cities area, check it out. Check it out. Anyways, I got some faux locs. And this, I got 1B. I would have gotten a lighter color because my hair is not that dark, you know. It's a little bit dark for me, but I think it'll suffice. They didn't have a lighter color. They didn't have the shade lighter than this. But I really wanted this one specifically because it was very lightweight. Let me stop crumbling it. It was very lightweight and not overly shiny. Looked pretty natural and had a good amount of length on it that I really liked. And it was a lot for not that much. Like, I think I got 2 packs because I didn't want to have a lot of hair going on. I got 2 packs and those were $14 each. So $14 for this amount, 3 bundles of faux locs crocheted. Not bad. And then I got some, oh my gosh, I got some of this, you know, this is very, most braiders and stuff use this stuff. So I was like, let me use this whenever I would get my hair braided. The lady would use that. Hey, Miss Jackie, by the way. I still have a little bit of leftover conditioner in there. And then I'm just gonna put in my leave-in. My Knot Today by Kinky Curly. This is the stuff that I stand by. Whew. I think I'm just gonna leave my lock out since I'm gonna have faux locs. It would just make sense to keep that my real lock out, right? I don't know. It makes sense in my head. So I'm gonna start braiding my hair. Guys, I'm nervous. Oh, I didn't take my vitamin. I gotta take my vitamin. Look how, look how, oh my god. Look how big this is. It's like, that's the size of my eye. It's huge. Okay. Freaking horse pill. I want to start off in the back. I'm not gonna like do like perfect parts. I just want them to, like, you know, make sense. I'm just gonna come back periodically so you guys can see kind of what I'm doing. I'm not the, you already know I'm not a good, and I don't know how to do hair. This is guesswork. You guys watch me struggle and yell at me in the comments, and then I pivot and learn. Oh my god, I got a terrible knot in the back. But yeah, I'll be back. Let me not rip out my hair. Oh my god. Hello. Okay. So I already did the back. I got a little help from my sister. She parted horizontally so I wasn't, you know, completely blind. But I didn't want them to be perfect. And by no means are my parts perfect. I just wanted it to look natural. Okay, so now it's time to do the top. This is the easiest part. So I'm taking this part out of the way. And I just washed my hair, by the way. I used my shampoo that I used in my last video. I used that same shampoo, same brushless, same conditioner, all that. All right, I'm gonna just part it like this. Okay, get out of my way. Then I get my gel, put this along the edges, make sure I get a lot in the front. that's what's the most important part. And then I get a good grip. And then I start braiding. And then I just twist the ends. And that's how I've been doing the entire thing. All right, I'm gonna finish it off camera and then we're gonna get to adding my twists. And I just gave them a bath in some warm water with some apple cider vinegar and a little bit of tea tree oil, just for, you know, antifungal, antibacterial reasons. All right, oh my God. I'm done. Now I gotta figure out how to put the faux locs crocheted in my hair. All right, that should be the easy part, right? I hope so. Y'all, I've been fiddling with this for an hour. I messed up one of my locks. It's unraveled, but I think I figured it out. These aren't perfect, but I think they'll get better through time, and I'll come back and fix these because, you know, the few gaps where you can see my hair. You can see my roots a little bit where my hair didn't grow out quite enough. I could have waited like maybe another month and it would have been long enough to conceal, but oh well. You know, as you can tell, I'm very frustrated. I'm annoyed. Okay, look at that. That's actually really good. You can hardly tell. All right, I'll be back whenever I'm actually done, which will be the next day. So see you tomorrow. Hey y'all, it's the next day. Okay, so I've just been working on my hair. I did the back and the front. Not just doing these two. I got like maybe like 25 more to go. I got plenty of hair. I've only gone through 2 of these so far, and I have like 4 left. I got hella hair left. I think it looks pretty good. Not even gonna hold y'all. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me show you how I've been doing it. So far, I found my perfect method. This is what I did years ago. I don't even know where the video's at, but basically what I do is I take my crochet needle, I put it through the base of my braid like that, and then I take the loop, the open loop, open it up a little bit, okay, put it through the loop, lock it in so I can pull it through, take it out, open the loop again, if you can feel it, okay, there we go. Take this long part and pull it through the loop over the braid, okay? And then pull it through, tighten it all the way tight, and then you're gonna go with the grain of the lock, the way it's twisted. So it's going this way, so we're gonna go the same way. So we're gonna take my hair, and then we're gonna wrap the lock around it with the grain. Like open it a little bit with your fingers as you go, and it will naturally like twist around it. And we're just gonna keep going. Yeah, I've been watching Naruto with my brother all morning while I've been doing my hair. I'm still supposed to be watching it right now, but I want to record this really quick. He was behind me a little bit anyways, so we're good on that. Whenever you're finished twisting to the bottom, it's gonna like bunch up, and then you're gonna pull it, and then it's gonna hide your hair completely in the twist. I'll show you when I get to it. Almost done. My hair is too long. Sometimes I wish my hair was shorter so things like this wouldn't take so long. I'm gonna play some Naruto too so I don't get behind. So here's some music while I do this. All right, I did it. And just pull just to make sure it's secure and tight, and it looks good. Looks good. Sometimes the end pokes out, so I just wrap that back in. But it's nothing you can't fix. Boom. Oh, just kidding. There we go. Boom. You can't even tell my hair's in there. Seamless. Love to see it. Anyways, I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair. Come back with my last one. It'll probably be up here. And then I'm gonna, you know, take a shower and then, I don't know, tell you about my overall experience. Okay. All right, this is the last one. I had to take this one out because I didn't like how it was looking. It was just like sitting right here instead of like going to the side. So I took it out and I'm gonna redo it. Okay, I think I did a pretty decent job. Yup. Yup. Okay. I could redo this one for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna redo this one. It looks kind of crummy. Better and fabulous, unforgettable, better and fabulous. Oh yeah. Y'all remember on Fabulous, that show? Oh my god. Gotta redo it again. So wait, I'll be back when I'm finished retouching because this is taking longer than I thought, okay? Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I'll be back. I'll be back. Alright, I've done the best that I can do. It's gonna show through regardless. Alright, so I'm gonna keep this on this side. I'm gonna keep this on this side and keep that on that side. Or I can do straight down the middle. Either way, I think it looks pretty good. Let me show you. I say I did a pretty decent job. There's some sections that I could redo, but I'm too tired to do that right now. So yeah, I like that. I like that. Little look. Anyways, that's all she wrote. I'm going to bed. Just kidding, I'm not going to bed, but I'm gonna go make some banana bread and then take a nap because I am tired. I've been working on this for like, I don't know, like 10 hours. And I'm gonna probably do some hair accessories eventually, but we're not there yet. So I'll probably just hide these things where my hair wants to come out. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week or whenever that is. Anyway, so don't do anything I wouldn't do, and that's saying a lot. Okay, bye.